trees by me, Hygo. About trees. Trees filter our air and keep it fresh by absorbing carbon dioxide and producing oxygen. Trees' roots stabilize the soil and prevent erosion. Trees improve water quality by showing and filtering rainwater as well as protect aquifers and watersheds. Trees are carbon sinks, accumulating carbon as they grow and acting as stable carbon stores upon maturity. 3/4 of the world people rely on wood as their main source of energy. How many types of trees are there? There are over 60,000 types of trees. Some are shown below. Neem tree, mango tree, peepal tree, coral tree, fire tree, flames of the forest tree, jackfruit tree, golden shower tree, banyan tree. Why was banyan made in the Indian national tree? According to the rules for national symbols, the chosen symbol should be a native icon of India, easily identifiable by common man of India, should have cultural and mythological significance. About the banyan tree. The banyan tree is the native of India. The scientific name of banyan tree is Ficus bengalensis. The name banyan was coined by European traders who were marveled at the sight of Indian merchants called banyas in Sanskrit, sitting under the cool shade of this gigantic tree. Banyan also holds much religious and cultural significance to Indians. About neem tree. Neem is a tropical tree native to India and also termed the wonder tree in Sanskrit. The neem tree is called Aristha, Sustika, etc. And the scientific name of neem is Azadirachta indica. Neem is a tree that grows rapidly and can stretch a height of 15 to 20 meters. Sometimes it can also increase up to 35 to 40 meters. Neem is an evergreen plant, but it could shed nearly some of its leaves or sometimes nearly all leaves throughout drought seasons. About fire tree. It is noted for its fern-like leaves and flamboyant display of orange-red flowers over summer. In many tropical parts of the world, it is grown as an ornamental tree, and in English it is given the name Royal Poinciana, flamboyant flame of the forest or flame tree, one of the several species given this name. The scientific name of the fire tree is Delonix riga. Thank you.